Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Guys, who doesn't love a pizza that is ready in 10 minutes, low in carbs and super delicious? In today's cooking episode, we are going to be making pan-fried zucchini pizza. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To make this recipe, you are going to need 1 zucchini. We're going to start by peeling the zucchini. Then we're going to grate it with the box grater. Next, in a medium bowl, place a cheesecloth, then grate the zucchini. Next, sprinkle some salt onto the zucchini, mix well and set aside for 10 minutes. This will help to release the water from the zucchini. After 10 minutes, squeeze out as much liquid as possible. That looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the shredded zucchini in a medium bowl. Now we're gonna add our seasonings. Here I have onion powder, garlic powder, Vegeta, red crushed peppers, black pepper, salt and thyme. Add that to the shredded zucchini. We're gonna also add in 2 tablespoons of flour and chopped onions. Then mix well until well combined. Once all that is mixed, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 beaten egg and mix well. Next, transfer the mixture into a lightly greased frying pan. Spread it across the pan. Fry on low heat, covered with a lid for 7 minutes or until bottom is crispy brown. After 7 minutes, run a spatula around to loosen the zucchini from the pan. Then we're gonna place the lid for the pan and flip it over. You can even use a plate, guys. You just slide the pizza on a plate, then flip it over and put it back in the pan. If you are enjoying this video so far, guys, just give it a like and leave a comment and let me know what you think about today's recipe. At this point, look how it looks, guys. It's slightly burnt, but don't worry, you won't even taste that. Now it's time to put our topping. Now we're gonna go in with mozzarella cheese. I love cheese, guys. We're gonna also follow with spinach. We're gonna also top with halved grape tomatoes. We're gonna also top with halved cherry tomatoes. Next, chop coriander and sprinkle on top. We're gonna cover this and fry for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the cheese has melted, guys. It smells amazing. This is how it looks, guys. We're gonna let it cool slightly for 2 minutes. Then we're gonna transfer it onto a plate, then slice it, and it's ready to be munched. I can't wait, guys. Now it's time to do a taste test. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys. It's so good. Amazing.